everybody, welcome back to my channel, or to my channel if you are new. In today's video, I want to talk about a handful of Amazon products that I have purchased that I absolutely love and I use all the time pretty much. I've gotten a lot more stuff from Amazon that I really like, so not everything's in this video. If you end up really liking this video and want me to talk about some more stuff that I've got that I really like, then I will definitely do that. I think I'm gonna try to link everything down in the description box below if you guys want to purchase anything. Everything that I say, I will try to put the price down in the corner. I am gonna go by the price that they are currently, so I might have got them for a different price, but I'm going to let you know what they are the day that I edit this. And hopefully that hasn't changed too much from when I bought them or when you might go buy them if you want them. Otherwise, I think that's pretty much all I have to say. There's not really much else to explain for this video, so I have 8 things to go through to talk about today and show you, so let's go. The first thing I want to talk about is probably one of my top favorite things I've got from Amazon, and it is an oil cleanser. I don't know. Oh, there we go. It's made in Japan, so it's a Japanese product. This stuff has changed the game in taking off my makeup. You really don't need that much of it, and you just rub it on your face all over. I usually focus on my eyes because this takes mascara off amazingly. I will just rub my mascara off with it very gently, and it pretty much comes right off. Otherwise, I put the rest all over my face to get the rest of my makeup off, and then after you're done kind of rubbing it in, just take some water and rub the water into it, and the combination of those two, it washes it off. Another cool thing about this is that you don't have to purchase the whole bottle again. You can get refills, which come in this little plastic pouch. And then I actually put it in this little container. I got this from a giveaway, but I cleaned it out and I just fill it up with the oil cleanser, and it has like an eyedropper. I just drop it into my hand and then rub it on my face. So this is good for traveling. So if you do need something smaller than this, you can always just put it into another container. Number 1 thing from Amazon. The rest of this stuff isn't in order. I just really wanted to talk about that first because it's definitely my favorite thing. The next product from Amazon are reusable eye makeup remover pads. These ones said, I think they were bamboo. I don't know, something like that. But it comes with a good handful. These are a great combination with the oil cleanser. They come, like I said, with a bunch of these cloth bamboo pads, and then it comes with a little bag so you can put it in the washer to reuse them. I never have actually put this in the washer by itself. I usually put it in another bag, like a bigger bag that I put like bras and underwear in. So I don't know how this does by itself in the washer. I think it's fine. I doubt it will come undone. There's also like a little section right here to put the zipper in to make sure that the zipper doesn't come undone. So it should be fine. But like I said, I've never put it in there by itself. Now, there was some negative feedback I was reading in the reviews of these, and I think the main issue people were coming with was that they were getting stained. They couldn't get their mascara out of these and they just got ruined. Mine are perfectly fine, and I 100% believe that that's from the oil cleanser that I use with it. So if you're using these and you don't have a really good cleanser, then they probably will stain. But if you have a really good cleanser and then make sure you rinse these out after you're done using them, then it should be good. They shouldn't stain. I think I maybe had one that had a tiny bit of pink on it from lipstick, but I can't even find it, so it must be really faint now. Bottom line is, if you're trying to, you know, be nicer to the world one step at a time, these are great to substitute for makeup wipes. The next thing is something I can't actually hold in my hand because it is on the back of my door, and this is a jewelry rack, a jewelry holder, necklace holder, whatever you want to call it. I've been trying to wear more jewelry this year, and I had it just kind of laying around. I really wanted somehow to hang it up, but we don't have much room here. So I was trying to be creative, and I figured out I could just get a rack and put it on the back of my door. I think it came with 4 of them, and I only used 2. The hard part about this was that it comes with this sticky stuff on the back, and the sticky stuff has a little, you know, piece of paper on the back of the sticky part, and you take it off to stick it onto something. Well, being in an apartment and not really wanting to destroy the door, in the paint, I wanted to use command strips. So that kind of had another challenge in itself, because if I just put the command strip on the piece of paper covering the sticky part, it would just come off because the paper isn't like actually stuck to the sticky part. It comes off very easily. So I had to like cut the sides of it to cut some of the sticky part off, because that sticker is connected to this piece. And so I had to like cut it off and place the command strip actually on the plastic itself once I cut part of the sticky part off. So I really wish that it didn't automatically just come with that sticker on the back and that you could put your own on, or it came with it separately. I don't know. That's, I think, the only downside I found to it. It was just hard for my circumstance because I wanted to use command strips, but I made it work. And you can make it work. I really like it. It's simple, it holds my jewelry, and that's what I needed. Plus it doesn't take up too much space. Now on to eyebrow/face razors. I don't remember the first time I got these, but I had been using Nair, which is a hair removal thing, on this area for a while, and it just like stopped working. It was not removing my hair anymore, and so I would just have to razor it off anyways. Plus it's full of chemicals and I wanted to get away from it. So I came across some videos of people using these, and that is what I went for. Now I can do my eyebrows myself, I can shave this and any other facial hair that I might want to remove. These come with, I think, 3 in a package. So it's like pink, yellow, and blue, and then pink, yellow, and blue. I got 2 packages, I think, in one order. I'm not sure if it's still like that. I think it is. But anyways, these are super easy to use. I usually just put lotion on my eyebrow, like a thin layer, and then I go down and get all the hair up top, go in the middle as well, and then sometimes under here a little bit on the side if I need, and then I luck the rest. And then same process here, thin layer of lotion. These work amazingly. Now on to Acne Dots. These Acne Dots are by the company Alba Botanica, and these are the best acne dots that I have used, and I have used maybe like 4 other brands. I usually get them at Target, but they sell out very frequently because people want them, and sometimes it's just hard to find them in Target. In the last month or so, I realized that they had put them on Amazon, and so that's where I went for them. I was like, okay, this is perfect. These are great for people who have problems picking, popping, all that. I have problems with that frequently, but these stop me from it because I put them on at night on any acne spots that are red. If they are getting ready to burst, you know, you put this on there and it will just draw it out. You just wipe it off in the morning and of course clean it with something, so it's not just, I don't know, it's just like common sense, right? To clean it if it's open. It will reduce the redness overnight, and like I said, bring everything to surface. And like I said, these are the best ones I've used. I use the Yes Tomatoes ones. Do not buy those. They suck. Personally, I guess, but there was a lot of bad reviews on them too, so I don't think I'm the only one that thinks that. They just don't even stick to you, and then they get like red and black stuff all over you. Like it was all over my pillows. They were just a nightmare, which I forget what other ones I've used, but I just remember those were so bad. That's why I remember those. These ones are the stickiest ones I've used, which is very good when you want to put them on at night. And they're clear. So if you really wanted to, you could go out with them and it wouldn't be like a huge deal. Oh, and I should have said, these come with 40 of them, 40 of the patches, 2 different sizes. There are 20 small ones and 20 large ones. I think these were almost $8, and all of the other acne dots that I have come across are either the same price for less or a more expensive price for less dots. So these really are the best I have used, best price. These are great. Another skin product to talk about is a face mask. The best face mask that I have ever used, and you can get it off of Amazon. So this is the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. You can get this at other places, but it's really cool because you can get like a whole set on Amazon. And the person that actually recommended this to me, let me just tell the story real quick. If you guys know who Krista Allen is, she is an actress and she played Charlotte on the show Revenge, and Revenge was one of my favorite shows when it was on. I really should rewatch it, but I was obsessed with the show. And Krista Allen on her Instagram, she would post a lot of like skincare stuff, and her skin is beautiful. So I messaged her one day. Didn't think she'd actually respond, but I was like, I need help. Like, what can I do for my skin? And she responded. On her story, she put a bunch of stories on there showing me all these different options to help with skincare and everything. It was just crazy, and I couldn't believe she responded, but she recommended this. So she has beautiful skin. That should tell you something. In this package that I ended up getting, I think it was the link that she sent, is the one that comes with this. This is the clay mask, a bottle of apple cider vinegar, a cute little bag, which I usually keep everything in, a bowl to mix, and then I have these in a bag, but it is a little scoop, a little mixer, and a brush. That is what comes all in this set, and I'm pretty sure you can still get this set on Amazon. I will find the link to it, put it down below. When I do this, I don't fill up the spoon all the way. I usually fill it up halfway because I don't need all of that product on my face. I just realized that I was having a lot left over when I used the full spoon, so just kind of figure out what you need for your face. Sometimes it feels weird. Like, it actually says something about feeling your face pulse. Yeah, it's right here. It says you will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. Feel your face pulsate. I didn't believe it until I actually felt it. You can feel like your heart beating in your face. It's so weird, but this will tend to make your face red afterwards. I think it also says that, oh, there we go. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. Then usually after my face is super soft, I moisturize right after to put, you know, some moisture back into my face after this dries it out. But this is amazing. My face feels so soft afterwards, and it has helped in the past to reduce redness of acne and stuff like that. So this is my favorite face mask that I have ever used. So this next thing is a spice rack. You know, there's nothing super special about it, but me and Garrett really love it because for a while we didn't even have anything to hold our spices, and I ended up getting this for us for Christmas. And it has gotten a lot of use out of it. It is now full. And I think it's just a really good starter spice rack. It has a good amount of room. It doesn't take up too much space. There's not much else to say. We like spices and we like our spice rack. The last thing I'm going to be talking about is a calendar. It comes with a monthly, weekly, notes. Then it comes with 4 different dry erase markers with erasers on the ends and an eraser itself. And all of these pieces are magnetic. So all of these we have stuck on our fridge. We put our meals on there so we can plan for the week. We have our whole schedules on there for the month, and then you just erase and do the next month. So it comes in handy, especially if you have a lot of people in your household and you want to kind of keep track of what everybody's doing, what everybody has to do, maybe make notes for grocery lists, or again, plan meals. It's a really cool calendar, I think. And those are all the items that I am going to talk about today that I have got from Amazon and I have absolutely loved. All the links should be in the description box below if you are interested in getting any of this stuff. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Follow my social media accounts. They will be at the beginning of this video in the description box below, or everything is at It's Kendra Sue. I hope you guys have an amazing day or night, whatever it is where you are right now, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.